Hello, welcome to my project's presentation video. My project is a plant care system based on Raspberry Pi. The system will be able to irrigate plant depending on soil humidity, provide lighting according to light density around the plant, display graph of water consumed for irrigation over time. Well, needed parts. As embedded system, I used Raspberry Pi 4 card. Two-channel relay card will be needed, which will work as switch that open, close, light and motor circuits depending on voltage of GPIO pins. Water pump for irrigation. Power supply for supplying bulb and pump circuits. Of course, light bulb. Humidity sensor. Ultrasonic sensor for tank depth measurement. LDR sensor for light density measurement. Since the Raspberry Pi cannot detect intrinsically analog signals, I needed a converter like the MCP3008. Here is my circuit scheme. I made sure that all my parts correctly connected and bound them with my Python code. Here is my code. In case to read data from my three sensors and keep controlling my circuit at the same time, I use multi-threads. One is for running the Decontage UI, and I called it Open Interface. Since I use the other threads as ADC handler, I called them ADC 1, 2, and 3. In ADC 1, I read humidity sensors values from the first channel of MCP3008 chip. In ADC 2, I read LDR sensor values from the MCP3008 seconds channel. ADC 3 is for reading from ultrasonic sensor. Now the program is running. As you see, we have here humidity and light density reads, but no depth or consumed water values. That's because the program is waiting from the user to enter his tank depth and tank diameter values here. Mine is 16 and 8. Whenever the user presses show graph button, here in show entry files method, thread 3 will be started and consumed water values will be shown here and over the graph.
Well, this is my tank here. In the top of the tank I have my ultrasonic sensor. And if you notice here in the graph, my consumed water values varying between 154 and 158 milliliters. And this is reasonable for this empty distance. For the other parts of my system, I have here LDR sensor, humidity sensor, bulb, and my water pump. As you see here, my plant is irrigated, so the motor is not working. If I take the humidity sensor off, the motor will work again because the humidity sensor value is over the limit value. For lighting, as you can see, my room is illuminated, so my bulb is not working. Whenever I put my finger here over the LDR sensor will start to see darkness and my bulb will be turned on. If I move my finger, the bulb will be turned off again.
Thank you for watching me, and if you like the video, please share and subscribe.